see this?
Sorry, we were just talking about the basic concepts of polynomials.
And how useful they are.
Like they help in industries by making it easier to model.
Also, it helps financially because it can solve for the amount of money you need at a certain time.
What else can it do, Miggie?
Polynomials are also very useful in science when solving for an equation.
Say what? Let's show you a story of a young math ninja, shall we?
Yes, Luis, let's show them.
Okay, here we go. Ooh.
You will never beat me.
Yes, but I will fight till the end. Oh no, he's really good. I must use my secret sign chart method. But how? I used my sign chart method.
Yes, you did, but I used my arithmetic sequence technique. Come back to me when you're stronger.
Oh my gosh, what happened?
I found you in the woods. You were really beat up.
Thank you, old man. Ooh.
I see you're a math ninja.
Yes, but he beat me really bad.
Okay, son. I'm gonna teach you the basic concept of polynomial technique.
Yes!
No. This is how we will train.
No.
We will train mentally. Watch.
Hello there, young ninja. This is where I will be training you. Let us start. Well, a polynomial is a set of terms in one expression. These are used in many ways, especially in math. They can be used to solve different kinds of equations.
There are four types of polynomials. The first one is a monomial, which has only one term. The next one is a binomial, which has two terms. The other one is called a trinomial, which has three terms. And the final one is called a polynomial. This polynomial has four or more terms.
Let's use this polynomial as an example. Let's first identify how many terms there are. 4x raised to 9 is one term, negative 9 raised to 4 is another term. Finally, negative 8 squared is a final term. So there are 3 terms, so that means it's a trinomial. Whoa, 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 what, whoa!
Wait, there are 3 more lessons.
Okay, let's move on to the next lesson. One of the most important things in a polynomial is arranging it in standard form. Standard form is when we arrange the polynomial with the term with the highest degree first and followed by the other degrees in decreasing manner. Let's use this polynomial as an example. The highest degree is 6, so that goes first, then followed by 3, and then 2, and then constant as the last. So we just look at every degree of the term, and that's where we base our standard form. For the rules, just look at every degree of the polynomial, whether it is a real number or a non-negative number. Example, people use square root as a numerical term. Just look out for the negative signs. Once you see 1 inside the square root, that can't be considered a polynomial equation. As long as radicals have no negative signs, it's a real number, and that's an equation.
Okay, stay in your place. Let's go. One more time.
Okay, now the third lesson begins. What are the parts of a polynomial? There are 4 parts in a polynomial: the literal coefficient, which is the variable in the term, the numerical coefficient, which is the number in the term, the leading coefficient, which is the numerical coefficient of the highest degree, the leading term, which is the term of the highest degree. Let's take this polynomial as an example. The literal coefficient of this would be x because that's the letter in all the terms. The numerical coefficient would be 1, 4, 3, and negative 7 because these are the numbers in all the terms. The leading coefficient would be 1 because that is the numerical coefficient of the highest degree. The leading term would be x raised to 6 because the degree of the polynomial, in short, is the largest exponent in the expression. To identify the degree of the polynomial, we should know the degree of each term first. Then the largest degree would be the degree of the polynomial. For an example, we'll use this polynomial. Next, we find the degree of each term in the equation. The degree of 5x raised to 6y raised to 4 is 10. The degree of negative 6 raised to 5y is 6. The degree of 2xy is 2. The largest degree out of all is 10, so that means 10 is the degree of this polynomial.
I will teach you the last lesson tomorrow. Okay, let us start. Come here. Follow the way of my hands.
Congrats! Let's start the last part of your training. Polynomials can also be classified in their degree. There's a lot, but we only have limited time, so we'll teach you up to the first 5. If a polynomial has no degree, then it's 0. If a polynomial has a 0 degree, then it's called a constant. If it has 1 as the degree, it's referred to as linear. If it's 2, then it's quadratic. If it's 3, then it's cubic. If it's 4, then it's quadric. And finally, if it's 5, it's called quintic. Let's use this polynomial as an example. First, let's find the degree of each term. The degree of 8x raised to 4 is 4. The degree of 10x raised to 5 is 5. The degree of negative 6x raised to 3 is 3. The largest number is 5, so that is the degree of this polynomial. The polynomial can also be called quintic since its degree is 5. There are 4 kinds of coefficient for a polynomial. There's complex, real, rational, and integer. Complex means the coefficient has an imaginary number. Real means the coefficient are real, or like a fraction or square root. Rational means it can be in decimal form. Integer means it's possible for the coefficient to be negative.
Good. Now you learned all 4 lessons. Congrats. Go get us some drinks.
Yeah.
I know you're out there. Do what you need to do.
Yes, I will. Oh God. Give me that. Come on.
You will pay for what you've done.
You're still too weak.
You could have known you were supposed to become a great ninja, but you let power get in the way.
Oh, hey Nico. Oh, hey. The basic concepts of polynomials is the most important topic in studying polynomials because it teaches us about polynomials, what they are and why we need them. Examples of the basic concepts are degree and like and unlike terms. Knowing the basics makes everything go smoother as it goes. It is really important for us to know the basic concepts of polynomials. Without it, we would not know what a polynomial is. Without the knowledge of a polynomial, math high school would be a problem to you. All in all, we think these basic concepts are very important in the real world and especially when you take more advanced math.
Hey guys, we're group 1 from 10G. We hope you enjoyed. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!